So hello po, magandang gabi po sa atin lahat. Ako po si Enzo Monfero. So gagawa po ako ng cover ng Let Me Be The One by Jimmy Bondo. So hope you like it and like my page Enzo Monfero and um, just follow my songs and simulan ko na po. Sana magustuhan niyo tong kantang to. Let Me Be The One. Somebody told me you're unhappy, but it doesn't show. Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. So you're walking out the door. Nobody told me you've been crying every night. Nobody told me you've been dying, but didn't want to fight. Nobody told me that you fell out of love for me. So I'm setting you free. Let me be the one to break it off, so you don't have to make excuses. We don't need to find you set up where someone wins and someone loses. We just had to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time.